Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this black smoky eye. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to turn on your post notifications so you don't miss a video from me. And let's get straight into the video. So today I'm going to be using the Tarteist Pro palette, this brown color. All names for the colors that I use will be listed in the description box if you guys are interested. So I'm going to be taking this color and I'm going to be blending it in my crease. I'm using windshield wiper motions, and I'm doing like circular motions as well. I'll be adding that in my crease and a little bit on my lid. It actually doesn't matter if it touches your lid at all. It's gonna be covered with black anyway. I'm going to be using this ColourPop eyeshadow, and I'm putting that on my lid. It's also a brown color, and then I'm going to be blending it, blending the corners, the edges out. Just to soften up the edges a bit, I'm just going to use this brush to soften up the edges, just so that it looks flawless. Now I'm just adding some black to my lash line. I'm actually starting from my lash line, and then I'm going to be working the color upwards, and again just doing a bunch of blending. I did forget to mention that this tutorial was just mainly going to be about the eyes. I already did my face routine. If you guys are interested in seeing how I do my face routine, it is the same routine that I do for every day, and I'll just list the video in the description box, and I'll just like post a little annotation like about the video, so you guys can just click on it and then just go watch it, how I do my face routine like every day. I'll be adding these lashes from Ardell. These lashes I've been wearing like constantly. They're the Ardell Tapered Luxe lashes, I believe in 805 or 2. Like I said, everything will be listed in the description box, so check that out. Next, I'm just kind of soften up the edges and added a little more darkness to it with this color from the Tarteist Pro palette. And then just keep blending, and yeah. So like I said, I already did my face routine already, so I'm just gonna continue finishing up the eyes. I just added the same color from the Tarteist Pro palette along my lash line. I then lined my waterline with a black pencil, and of course mascara. So of course I cannot forget the inner corner highlight. I have to, guys. I can't live without it. It's just so pretty, so I applied that right in the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm just gonna highlight with the Artist Couture Diamond Glow powder for the rest of my face. That would be, you know, the bridge of my nose, the highest point of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, you know, all the basic places. So for my lips, I'll be using the Smashbox lipstick, and I believe I also use the NYX lingerie. I believe it was lace detail. Once again, check the description box, guys, if you guys are interested. And yes, that is the final look. I hope you guys liked it. Please make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye.